Hello and welcome back to Farm Space. We are here in the Cullinan region. We just had a workshop with Larsha in conjunction with Husqvarna. We're going to talk with Divan Vermaak. He's the Veld Management Specialist for Husqvarna, and he's going to tell us the importance of today, how the relationship between Larsha and Husqvarna works, and why today was so important in their eyes. Let's have a look. Let's hear what he has to say. There we go, Divan. So we're in the bushveld here. We have the blue wildebeest there at the back. Very beautiful. If we can start diving into the importance of today, Larsha and yourself, tell me what the day entailed. Why did today happen?
I think just as an opportunity, just to show you that there is wildlife standing around where we've just cut with the battery products, and that says a lot. Working with the vegetation, dealing with encroachment, silent nature, there we go. We've just worked and the wildebeest is standing right behind us. That to me is exactly what it's about.
Is exactly what it's about. And if we can follow on from there, the Larsha, what's that acronym stand for?
It's the Land Restoration Society of South Africa.
The Land Rehabilitation Society of South Africa. Tell me a bit about your relationship with them and what today entailed.
Okay, so obviously I've been in communication with key players, and what's nice about the Land Rehabilitation Society of South Africa is they draw all the experts together and have one workshop, one discussion on what is the best practices in restoring the ecology. And today specifically was on brush packing. So basically what brush packing is taking the tops from the trees, meshing them together. That reduces the soil temperature, it captures the seed bank for the grasses, and it basically keeps the grasses secure and safe so that they can grow properly.
You're talking about you work together with Larsha. Of course, there was a lot of professors here today, a lot of students here today, people from industry. They have the scientific knowledge and that background covered, and they educate people. You from Husqvarna's side, what you say, you come here to show them and to show them the correct system. Can you elaborate on that?
So basically, we've got experts from all over South Africa, all sharing their knowledge, but there's that important aspect of the equipment that's needed to do the job. And this is where Husqvarna comes in. We give value to them by saying, listen, we can make it cheaper, we can make it more comfortable to work with, and we can set out a plan and a system to get that maximum productivity out of the work that you want.
So you're not only here to show them, listen, look at our nice products, it works fantastically. You're here to equip them with this system for them to take that to educate other people as well and to walk that route with them.
Yeah, that's right. So obviously we all sit around the same table, we all share the values, and we all have the same interest in bettering our ecology. Unfortunately, there's quite a bad degradation within South Africa because of overgrazing, climate change, a lot of aspects that come into it that enhances the bush encroachment. So we've got to get grass for grazing, for cattle, for wildlife, etc. And they use the natural vegetation to do that. So I come in and saying, right, here's a bundle, here's a plan, this is what's going to help you and make it more cost effective and get the work performance out of what they need. And that will reduce the cost in the end of the day.
And if you can come back to the cost factor, there was a lot of talks today about the different methods and whatnot, but at the end of the day it comes back to rands and cents.
That's it.
But that's where you guys help as well. You try to lower cost of labor or fuel, but still enable them to work effectively. Time as well, to save them time.
That's right. I mean, that's where the battery products come in, for example. So today we showed them the battery range that we have. Obviously, the world changing to battery, there's still that hint in the back of the head saying, is it strong enough? And today we've showed it to them, that they can do it, that we've got a product for every purpose that you need for this job. And I showed it today. I showed it to them to say, look, there's the battery option. It's environmentally friendly. It's it's cost effective, and it's quiet. Look at this.
Quiet as they're actually coming closer to where the cutting occurred, which is actually quite special. So at the end of the day, Husqvarna's mission as well as Larsha's mission is to rehabilitate our African rangelands and to do that as effectively as possible and to impart that knowledge on the future of our guys that's going to be tasked with this special of our important work. And I think days like today, would you say it was a success?
Yeah, look, you've got to lead by example. You've got to show them. Obviously, the ecologists, they are showing everyone else, guys, this is what's possible. This is how we can get the nutritional value back into the soil. This is how we can get our grasslands back. I'm coming from a different point of view and say, we are here to help. Let me help you be more productive,
Yeah.
and let me help you try and get it done cheaper.
And save them money and speed up along this process.
The more money you save, the more money can go back into the ecology, the bigger the price.
Exactly. Divan, I thank you for your time. Thank you for today and this demonstration. I know it was hot. You are sweated, but still doing this for the right reasons.
Absolute pleasure.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
There you have it. That was Divan Vermaak from Husqvarna. As he said, their mission is to equip you with the correct systems and to help you save money at the end of the day so that we can all work together for the restoration of our rangelands. Thank you for your time, and thank you to Larsa for today, to equip with knowledge. That's the plan. Thank you. This is Farm Space. Until we see you next time.